When we think of the British royal family, we think of an unbroken, carefully guarded lineage. For centuries, the European aristocracy built their power on the illusion of pure bloodlines. Every marriage was calculated. Every ancestor was documented. When Lady Diana Spencer married Prince Charles in 1981, she was presented to the world as the quintessential English aristocrat, the perfect, pure-blooded English rose, destined to be queen. But history is written by the powerful. DNA, however, DNA does not lie. In 2013, geneticists decided to look past the official royal family trees. They extracted the mitochondrial DNA of Princess Diana's maternal relatives. They were expecting to find a standard European genetic signature. Instead, they found a ghost. They uncovered an incredibly rare genetic anomaly that had been deliberately erased from the history books for over 200 years. A secret that proved the most famous woman in the world carried the blood of a completely different continent. Today, we are sequencing the royal bloodline. We will unearth the 200-year-old cover-up of the Spencer family, decode the mysterious anomaly known as R30B, and reveal the genetic ghost hiding inside the future kings of England. If you want to uncover the secrets the elite tried to bury, hit that subscribe button. You are watching Lost Origins, the genetic ghost. To uncover this secret, scientists didn't look at standard DNA. They looked at mitochondrial DNA. mtDNA is unique because it is passed down exclusively from a mother to her children. It is an unbroken biological chain linking females across thousands of years. When researchers at the University of Edinburgh sequenced the mtDNA from the living relatives of Princess Diana's maternal line, the computers flashed a result that left them stunned. They did not find a European marker. They found a haplogroup known as R30B. To understand how shocking this is, you have to look at the numbers. At the time of the study, researchers compared this marker against a massive global database of over 65,000 people. Out of those 65,000 individuals from all over the world, only 14 people carried the R30B genetic signature. It was an incredibly rare, hyper-specific genetic fingerprint, and almost every single one of those 14 people lived in the exact same region, India and Nepal. Princess Diana, the future Queen of England, the pinnacle of the British aristocracy, carried a deeply embedded, highly rare South Asian genetic code. But how did it get there? How did a rare Indian DNA marker end up in the highest ranks of the British nobility? To find the answer, geneticists had to trace the bloodline back 7 generations, leading them to a dark, forgotten chapter of the British Empire: the erased ancestor. The DNA trail led scientists out of the grand palaces of London, all the way to the western coast of India, to a bustling port city called Surat. The year was roughly 1790. A woman named Eliza Kewark was born. Official British documents from the time recorded Eliza's father as an Armenian merchant. But the mtDNA, the unbroken chain from mother to daughter, proved that official history was a lie. Eliza's mother was not European. She was definitively South Asian. Eliza was a local Indian woman. In the early 19th century, Eliza lived with a Scottish merchant named Theodore Forbes. Together, they had a daughter named Catherine. But the brutal reality of the expanding British Empire was about to tear their family apart. When Theodore died, his young daughter Catherine was shipped away to Scotland. She would never see her Indian mother again. As Catherine grew up and married into the British elite, a massive problem emerged. In the strict, highly racist high society of Victorian England, having non-European, Indian blood was considered a severe social taint. It was a barrier to power. So, the aristocratic Spencer family did what elites do best. They rewrote history. They systematically erased Eliza's true identity. They scrubbed her South Asian heritage from the official family tree claiming she was strictly Armenian. For over 2 centuries, the secret of the Indian mother in Surat was buried. The Spencers maintained their pristine, pure European image, completely unaware that Eliza's biological ghost was silently passing down through the women of the family, generation after generation, until it reached Diana, the ultimate royal paradox. The discovery of this erased Indian ancestry creates one of the greatest paradoxes in modern royal history. Because while the Spencers were hiding their South Asian roots, they were actually hiding the fact that they were more royal than the royals themselves. Before the massive royal wedding in 1981, genealogists mapping the family trees made a startling confirmation. Lady Diana Spencer actually had more English royal blood flowing through her veins than Prince Charles did. Diana was a direct descendant of King Charles II through his illegitimate children. She was also a direct descendant of Mary, Queen of Scots. Charles's family, the Windsors, actually had far more recent German ancestry. Diana was the ultimate aristocratic prize. She had the deepest roots in British royalty. Yet, hidden entirely from the world, she also carried the rare, undeniable blood of the Indian subcontinent. The British Empire had literally become part of her DNA. The end of the line history is a master of irony. Today, the R30B genetic signature, the ghost of Eliza Kewark, lives on because Princess Diana passed her mitochondrial DNA to her children. Prince William, the future King of England, and Prince Harry both carry this rare South Asian genetic marker in every cell of their bodies. The blood of the erased Indian woman now sits directly in the line of succession for the British throne. But this is where the unbroken chain finally breaks. Because mitochondrial DNA is only passed down by women, Prince William and Prince Harry cannot pass it to their children. The genetic ghost of Eliza Kewark, which survived a 200-year cover-up, crossed oceans, and infiltrated the highest monarchy on Earth, will end with them. The story of Diana's DNA proves that no matter how hard the elite try to sanitize their history, biology remembers. We are all mosaics of the past. What do you think? Does knowing the future King of England carries rare Indian DNA change how you view the royal family? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to discover more genetic anomalies, check out our video on why 15% of humans have alien blood right here on the screen. I am Thomas, and this is Lost Origins. Keep exploring, because the truth is never truly lost. It's just waiting to be sequenced.